Hi guys, the banana battery for the clock seems to be at the end of its time, so I'm going to replace it because I happen to have a potato that looks fairly lively. So I'll see if I can just do a straight replacement. If I'm lucky, I can pull the electrodes out of that one, clean them up a little bit, and just push them straight into here. Depends how corroded they are. I might have to replace the magnesium one. Now, if you can hear a lot of noise, all the solar rockers are rocking, which is making a lot of noise. And over there, there's a solar robot laying on its back. So I sprayed it with some stuff to lubricate it, which actually didn't help. So I had to spray it with something else to clear the lubricant that I put on the first time. So I'm leaving it running there to lubricate it. Anyway, let's have a look, see what these look like when we pull them out. Yeah, there we go. Magnesium strip was broken off inside. So I'll replace that. I'll clean that one. We'll just poke them straight into the potato. Alright, fresh magnesium strip. And I've cleaned the copper strip. Now it looks like we're working. 3:25. March the 24th. PM. 25 we want. 25. And there we are, 3:25. Oh, that's confusing. It's the 24th of the 3rd at 3:25. Anyway, so that's gone like leather. That's pretty hard. We'll rest that in there in case it leaks. There we go. So it's running off a potato battery now. Yeah, that is a bit confusing where the date and the time is the same numerals. It's now 3:26 on the 24th of the 3rd. And if you haven't seen before, that guy's running off the onion. Cat's running off the pineapple. Butterfly's running off a swede. That flower is running off of that carrot. And that witch is running off that pineapple. And he's running off the sunshine. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.